I have something else to add to the recipe, which is my green peppers. It gives such a good flavor. Baby, I'm going to add my chili flakes. Chili flakes. I think it's a lot. I always add and then I say, oh my god, it's a lot. I always say that. Then I'm going to add a little rosemary. There. Boom. What do you think? Are you going to pressure cook? Yes, I'm going to pressure cook everything. Pressure cooker, it's amazing. Pressure cooker is really convenient, you know. Just give me a second.